Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Capricorn, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Capricorn, 10 of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune and the 3 of Swords. King of Wands, Knight of Cups, Knight of Wands, High Priestess, Queen of Pentacles and the 7 of Pentacles. Alright Capricorn, bottom of my deck I have the Sun card, but unfortunately in reverse right now. Maybe there was a commitment which was not given. There was some problem with either a commitment or a family issue or a marriage, or maybe just a commitment which never came. So somebody decided to move on. If you're not going to commit to me, then I might as well move on in life. Yes, very heartbroken, because there was hope here. There was hope here that somebody would take action, but the person, according to the person who left, turned out to be a little bit of a heartbreaker, not being very immature, not doing the right thing. I think this Queen of Swords put her guard up and went silent on them, being very disappointed because of the offer that probably was not made, or the behavior of this King of Wands, right? So let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Capricorn. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and yes, then we clarify the rest of the cards. So Capricorn and their person, spirit. Capricorn and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more Capricorn from another deck. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Okay. I'm going to take a couple more Capricorn from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Alright Capricorn, let's start your reading. The first card here says, I always choose you every damn time, every damn day. You say you want me, but your actions don't match with the words that have come out of your mouth. Damn it, I want you to choose me and show me that you mean it. I've been loyal to you. Can you honestly say you've been loyal to me? Loyalty to me is knowing that you can trust someone with your mind, body, heart, life and soul. Being a faithful and reliable partner always. I can tell when you are speaking from your ego or higher self. Although I love your soul, I must admit I don't like your ego. I only want 2 things in my life. Everything that makes you happy and nothing that makes you suffer. I love you always and forever. Every night I just want to be home, and home is in your arms. What I'm most in need of, you cannot give me. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. I'm afraid of losing you. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. I think there's a lot of disappointment, Capricorn, especially I think from this Queen of Swords side. They feel heartbroken. They really wanted somebody to take action, but till now what they've seen of this King of Wands is just being a heartbreaker, not stepping up to the plate, maybe not talking. There's silence between the two of you. So there's a sense of disappointment. Let's see why that is. So let's start with an angel blessing card, Capricorn. Let's see what my angels have first, then we'll start clarifying the cards. So my angels for Capricorn, please, blessing, guidance, advice or a message. Mother. Well, either there is a mother figure somewhere which is affecting the situation, or maybe this could just be a time that Spirit says it's time to take care of you. This when this card comes out for me, usually that's an indication that I need to pamper myself a little bit and just kind of cocoon myself and take care of me. Because yes, with all this disappointment showing, somebody really, really needs to heal a little bit from whatever behavior this is. Let's see why this behavior is though. Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. What happened here? Ten of Pentacles. Capricorn, somebody has been really wishing and hoping for something which is just not coming into, the way they want it to. There's no sense of celebration. There's no sense of coming back together. Somebody is wishing and hoping that things can start moving, in a proper manner. Just go with the flow. They want luck to favor them. But instead, I think this person, whoever they're looking at, has just been petty till now. They haven't really shown up the way one should in a connection, and it's a feeling of imbalance, feeling of why can't you just be straight with me, why can't there be balance between the two of us, and that's making somebody feel very heartbroken. Yes, because they just want this person to choose one path. Let's have this exciting brand new journey between us, but maybe this person has not done it yet. Yes, there is. Somebody is waiting, somebody's all fired up, waiting for somebody to return back to them. There is a lot of attraction, and this is a very strong couple, because the Queen of Wands just fell out and the next card I have is the King of Wands. So this is a very perfectly matched couple, and this is a soulmate connection, Capricorn. This is somebody either you've known from your past, or this could be a past life connection, which is kind of, when this doesn't happen the way you want it to, it really hurts you, really bothers you, gives you a lot of heartbreak. So there is a possibility that one person is saying, hey, can we move forward, and the other person is still not showing up, still behaving like still not making a move. They're very stuck in their I don't want to commit kind of energy. Yes, being a bit of a trickster, creating illusions, still having these mind games, power games, maybe trying to just compete with their person. This is all trickster energy, which is actually just mind-based, to be honest. Sometimes when people feel this connection very strong, they try and push it away, and that comes out in the form of these kind of power games and mind games, and just bad behavior, I would say. So Knight of Wands, Spirit. Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands. Yeah, this kind of behavior is making the other person very stuck, feeling very stressed out, almost at the verge of saying, should I just drop this now? Because, I keep expecting them to show up in the correct form, but they don't. So I'm tired of this back and forth, where I feel I'm the only one putting in effort. So I have a feeling this Queen of Swords is also yes, feeling a bit disrespected, I would say. Feeling disrespected, going silent, feeling this is turning really toxic. And this person is maybe my toxic, past life connection. So there's a feeling of pain here at somebody not doing the right thing. Feeling very, very disrespected by somebody who's just not stepping up to the plate, or just behaving like a heartbreaker. Behaving more in their low vibration than stepping up to the plate. So Queen of Swords, say something to us. Since you're sitting in the upright with your sword staring at me, say something to me. Okay. Queen of Swords says my person is just constantly blocking out the connection. They are emotionally manipulating me. I understand that. They refuse to open up their emotions to me, and they're always pushing me away. So now I've decided, hey, I'm going to keep my sword up as well. I'm going to start protecting myself. But it does really bother me. I feel very disappointed, because in my eyes, this had the potential of going the long haul. I wanted the Four of Wands with them, a happily ever after. So yes, this Queen of Swords is the one. But I think there's a message coming. There is a message coming, Queen of Swords, so don't give up too quickly. Somebody does want to bring balance and healing to this connection, because the last two cards which fell out was the Page of Wands and the Two of Cups. So the minute you feel it's over, let me see. Spirit, is this message going to be sent by this person who is acting very mature at this time? Will they make a move? Oh my God. This person has been struggling so hard to control themselves, Capricorn. They've been trying so hard to they have also been in maybe their own ascension. They are also closing out a very painful cycle maybe in their own life, feeling very depressed and sad, in maybe nothing to do with this Queen of Swords, right? But they are getting themselves out of it. Heart of hearts, the point here, Capricorn, is that they've fallen in love. They've fallen in love and they can't handle it. So till now they've been behaving like an emperor in reverse, because maybe they didn't believe in love, or they've had a past where they didn't want to fall in love. So they've been pushing against, the tide till now. Maybe pushing this Queen of Swords away till now, hoping that, but you can't stop love, can you? So the more they've been pushing it away, of course they've been hurting this Queen of Swords, definitely, who's on the verge of getting fed up and giving up, because this even though this person has so much love, they've been behaving like a trickster, or playing mind games, power games, behaving in such an immature manner. So yes, at the moment things maybe have not picked up. This person may still be in that vibration, but the reason for them doing it is because I think they've fallen in love. Okay, so hold in there. You don't have to go out of your way, but hold in there. It's nothing to do with you, Queen of Swords. It's not your fault. This person is struggling with some inner demons of their own, and the problem has become even bigger because they also recognize the soulmate connection, and they feel that love and they don't want to, but they can't stop themselves for long, right? So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.